What up, Puff Puff gang? Back again, y'all, with another mukbanging video. Um, y'all probably think that if you subscribe to Sin City, kicking it with Sin City, you seen she cooked some spaghetti, fried some catfish, and I had made some sweet cornbread, y'all. So that's what I'm mukbanging today. So I'm gonna say grace and I'm ready. Heavenly Father, thank you first for what I'm about to receive in Jesus' name. I pray, amen. And I'm ready. So what everybody been doing out there in YouTube land. And I ain't ate nothing all day either, y'all. I'm starving. Starving like Marvin. Mm. Mm. That is so good. I like spaghetti mixing my cornbread. My cornbread in my spaghetti. Got some water. I don't drink Kool-Aid all the time. Mm. Mm. This is really good. Well. Mm. Man, I'm so hungry. My tooth still hurt a little bit, but it's calming down. It's getting better. I'm able to eat a lot more without hurting like that. Mm. Whoa. Excuse me. I know I ain't talking much either, y'all. That's because I'm hungry. This is good. Man, that's real good. Mm. Mm. Ice cold water is the best. Oh man, that is great. Excuse me. Whew. Get back into it. Mm. How much I ain't talking now. In this one, y'all. I'm hungry. I could talk and eat at the same time, but I would prefer not to. Mm. Mm-hmm. I just forgot my beloved hot sauce. That's what I should have had on my fish. Mm. Mm. That's some good spaghetti, y'all. That spaghetti and cornbread, especially when you mix it together. Y'all should try that if you don't know about it. Mm. Okay. One piece of fish left, y'all. I was starving. Starving like Marvin. I know people know it, heard that saying before. Not everybody, but some people. Excuse me. Mm, 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 mm. Well, that's that, y'all. Y'all was good. Food had my food had my mouth occupied, y'all. So I know I didn't do a lot of talking this time. Cause I was actually hungry. And for some reason, I can talk and eat, but I don't know. Especially when my food be good. Mm, 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 mm. This is a lot of the time. Sometimes I just ain't got no appetite though. But that's my video for today, y'all. Shout out to Cindy for cooking that great meal. Frying fish, making that spaghetti. Man, that was good. I'm gonna get up and wash me some greens. Brought like 4 bags of mustard greens. Tomorrow is Sunday. Cook some greens and something else. I wanted to do a pot roast. We gonna figure something out though. And I'm gonna see y'all. Oh, but this video will be out tomorrow, so I'm still gonna do a video with my greens and stuff too. So I'm gonna catch y'all with another video. Now I have 2 people to shout out. I'm gonna do that. Alright, y'all. Let me grab this. And I'm gonna get to the rest of y'all too on the shout outs, man. These the only 2 I seen through the comments, but I gotta go and read some more. Or I'm gonna check my Instagram and see if somebody left me something over there too. But shout out to Michelle Johnson from Williamton, Delaware. And shout out to Carlitha Williams. I'm only 2 shots I got right now. Today ain't the 13th. No, not yet. I gotta shout out on the 13th. I gotta remember that. A birthday shout out. So I gotta remember that too. So yep, that's it for this video. Y'all. So y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Share, and share and keep sharing these videos with everybody, y'all. And let them know what we doing over here. And make sure y'all go subscribe to Sin City. Kicking it with Sin City. I'm gonna spell it out. Kickin. It with WIT. Sin City. Sin City is one word. CYNCITY. But I'll put it in the description box below too. So y'all make sure y'all go check her out and subscribe. And show her some love. So that's it for this video, y'all. So like I said, hit that bell, like, subscribe, leave a comment. I prefer it to be positive, but I know people will do what they want to do anyway. But anyway, it don't matter. Leave what you go leave. A comment, hit the bell, subscribe, like. And I'll catch y'all with another video tomorrow, y'all. So everybody, y'all keep safe. Make sure y'all stay safe out there. And Peace. I'll see y'all in another video. Stay blessed. Peace, love, and hair grease.